Thank you for requesting a mulch estimate. You will see below that you will have three different items. You'll have a mulch price, which includes the edging of all the mulch beds, not including the trees. We don't edge trees because we don't want to damage the roots, but we will edge all of the mulch beds with a 3-inch V-edge, and then we will lay mulch depending on the thickness that you need. If you already have a good amount of mulch on your property, you only need about 1 inch of mulch in this estimate. If you don't have any mulch or you see dirt, you really need about 3 inches. So you will see in the description how much mulch we plan to put on your property. And then you will have two other items. You will have a bed cleanup option 1, and so that is only for the landscape beds. And then you'll have option 2 if you want us to clean up the whole property. So it'll say option 1, clean up landscape beds only. Option 2, clean up entire property. And so both of those are billed the exact same way. They're 100% hourly rate. So when we arrive, if you want us to clean up the entire property, we will clean up the whole property first. We'll trim all the perennials, trim the shrubs, any tall grasses that may be there that if they need to be trimmed depending on the season, remove any sticks and any limbs. If you want us to do the whole property, we'll do that for the entire property, get all the leaves and sticks out of the grass, the turf. If you want us to only focus on the landscape beds so then we can prepare the beds for mulch, we'll only work on the landscape beds. So that's the difference between option 1 and option 2. So option 1, we do the cleanup only in the landscape beds, and option 2, we do the cleanup for the entire property. Once the cleanup is done, we will clock out of that job and you will only get billed the hourly rate for the time spent cleaning up. And then the mulch is a flat rate. So once the cleanup is done, we will start mulching, and that is at a flat rate price. So that's what you will see in the estimate below. If you guys do have any other questions regarding the estimate, feel free to reach out to me. You'll see our contact information below. If you have a specific time that you want us to do it, sometime in April, or if you want to request in May or June, we do have some people that want to specifically push the mulch back to May or June. That is perfectly fine as well. Just make sure you shoot us an email and let us know that you want it at a specific month or before a specific time, and we'll do our best to get that taken care of for you. Other than that, click the box on the left of the screen and it will tell us which option you want. So mulching plus which cleanup item that you want done, either the entire property or only the landscape beds. And then if you continue scrolling down, you can click the accept button and it will ask you to sign your name. Use the cursor and you can use your mouse and sign your name. And then you'll have to print your name before you finally click submit. Once you click submit, it will send it back to us in an email telling us that you want us to take care of the job for you. We'll put you on our wait list, and then a few days before we plan to do the mulch at your house, we will shoot you an email letting you know that we will be out to your property to take care of that. So hopefully that answers a bunch of your questions. If you had any, clarifies everything. But if you do have any other questions, feel free to send me an email and I can answer any questions that you may have, or give us a phone call. Either way works. And we hope to see you guys in the lawn. See ya.